of Lux soap begins deep within tropical coconut plantations. The raw harvest now begins its journey toward refinement. The raw harvest now begins its journey toward refinement. Before processing, every coconut must be cleaned and prepared.
This one has a crack. Okay, removing it. This one's fine. Let it pass.
Only the best coconuts continue into the extraction process. The valuable coconut core is separated for oil extraction. The coconut meat is crushed into a rich processing paste. Pure coconut oil becomes the essential foundation of Lux soap. At the factory, the transformation into Lux soap officially begins. The purified coconut oil is transferred into controlled storage systems. Stable temperatures preserve the quality of every ingredient. Every ingredient is measured and routed with industrial precision. Purified water ensures consistency in every soap formulation. Inside the blending hall, raw materials unite into the soap base. Controlled heat prepares the oil for chemical transformation. The essential reaction agents are prepared under strict supervision. Now, the industrial soap-making process truly comes alive. Inside the reactors, chemistry transforms oil into raw soap. The reaction continues through carefully controlled production stages. Unwanted byproducts are removed to improve soap quality. The soap base is refined into a smoother, cleaner consistency. Industrial drying prepares the soap for shaping and finishing. The dried soap is transformed into uniform processing noodles. The finished soap mass now takes its final industrial form. Precision cutting shapes millions of identical soap bars every day. Automation ensures flawless consistency across the production line. Each bar receives the signature Lux identity. Controlled cooling stabilizes texture and preserves shape. Advanced inspection systems remove even the smallest imperfections. Nothing is wasted inside modern soap manufacturing. Multiple production lines operate continuously around the clock. Robotic handling keeps production fast, clean, and efficient. Every bar is prepared for protective retail packaging. The production line now moves into its final refinement stages. Precision finishing ensures every package looks flawless. Every product is digitally tracked for industrial accountability. Accurate weight control protects product consistency worldwide. Packaging systems prepare thousands of cartons every hour. Automation keeps packaging fast, organized, and hygienic. Each carton is sealed for secure transport and retail delivery. Bulk packaging prepares the products for large-scale distribution. Finished products are organized for efficient storage and shipping. Before dispatch, every production batch undergoes final verification. Every production batch faces strict quality inspection before release. Precise moisture control helps preserve shelf stability. The iconic Luxe fragrance must remain identical in every batch.
Safety inspections ensure the products remain hygienic and reliable.
Every label is checked for accuracy and traceability. The finished products are now ready for dispatch across the world. Finished Luxe soap is stored in highly organized distribution warehouses. Every pallet is digitally tracked before global shipment. The final stage of distribution begins at the loading docks.
Pallet secured, moving to bay 2. Clear on the left. Pallet in place, next one ready.
Millions of soap bars are prepared for transport every week.
Lock secure.
Every shipment is sealed and documented before departure. A global supply network keeps products moving continuously.